Let's make the Rum Alexander from the Standard Cocktail Guide. To make this drink, we're going to add the ingredients into our shaker in the order that Crosby Gaige does specify. So I'm going to start with 1 jigger of your rum. 1 jigger is equal to 1.5 ounces, which is equal to 45 milliliters. One pony of cream of cacao. 1 pony is 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. And finally, your sweet cream, or in our case, whipping cream. 1 pony or 1 ounce of your cream. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Now, Crosby Gaige does say to shake this with cracked ice. I don't have an ice cracker. I do have an ice crusher, so I'm going to use this to crush some ice real quick. I'll be right back with you. Note, in order to crack the ice instead of crush it, I did not crush it as much as I normally do. I hit it a couple of times. I didn't make it cry. Adding that to my shaker in case you can't tell what I'm doing. Give it a shake. Now, it does not specify the glass. I'm going to add this into my Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can use a glass that you choose. This is about 3.5 ounces of material. Or liquid, yeah, it is material. Liquid is material. And I'm going to double strain that into my glass. For some reason, I think I'm doing this backwards. Am I using the wrong hand? I don't know. It feels strange. The book does not specify garnish, so this may be it. This may be our Rum Alexander from the Standard Cocktail Guide by Crosby Gaige. Drink with good spirits.